Hi, this is Michael, and today I'm going to be showing you the TV Soundbox wireless TV speaker. Now, what this is for is so that if you have someone who is maybe hard of hearing and they like to watch TV, but so they need the volume on the TV loud, but you have other people in the house or in the school or wherever you're using this device who do not want the TV at top volume, you can connect this to the television and then they can watch it at whatever volume they want without distracting everybody in the room. So this costs about $130 to $150 on Amazon. It's made by Serene Innovations, and you can buy the kit and all the accessories off of Serene's site as well. I didn't notice a price difference between Amazon or Serene. They seem to be about the same. So what you get inside is you get the base station, and this is going to sit by your TV. You're going to connect the TV to it, and then it also serves as a charging port for the receiver. There is just a power indicator light on the front right side of this, and all of your ports are in the back. So you would connect power to this, and then using the audio cables they provide, you will connect your TV using these audio cables. If you have a newer TV like I do that doesn't have old school red and white audio cables, they do sell a HDMI converter for an additional $40 where you can connect these to the base station and connect the base station to the converter and then the converter to the base station, so you can make everything talk together. And they do talk about that on their quick start guide where they have various scenarios of TV setups and what you need based on the kind of television you have. You have the power cable for the base station. They do not include one with the receiver, but you can order that off their site. They have the operating guide and quick start manual in here. These look intimidating, but the manual is only like 14 pages. It's much thicker than that because it covers multiple languages. And then their quick start guide I was telling you about is where they have all the various TV setups you could possibly have. So each of these squares is a different setup. So if you have a game console or a Blu-ray player or an old school TV or a new TV, whatever kind of television you have, they have directions on how to set it up. And then you get the receiver speaker. And this is going to sit on the base station like so to charge it, or you can have this wirelessly anywhere in the room. This can sit on the nightstand by them, at a desk. They can hold it wherever you need it. So on the front is your volume, and this is also the on-off button. I'm going to hold this close so you can see. So it will make a click when you turn it, like that, and then it will be on. And then you just adjust it to whatever volume you want. And to turn it off, you turn it back to 0 until you hear that click. Then also on the front, in the bottom right corner, you have the low battery indicator light. This will flash when the receiver is getting low on battery. And then you will just connect it, sit it on your base station again to charge it up. And then on the right side you have a tone switch. It has high, medium, low. The instructions were very unclear. They just said set this to whichever setting lets you hear voices the best. I assume that is low, medium, high frequencies, but the instructions are very unclear. It has a headphone port underneath that, so if you're in a bedroom, like maybe husband-wife setup and the husband's watching TV and the wife doesn't want to listen to the TV, you can connect headphones and then watch the TV without distracting. It has an audio import, so that is if you have like an iPod or an MP3 player or your cell phone and you're listening, you can use this like a speaker. And then there's a charging port for if you wanted to leave this by the bedside table or whatever and not move to put it on the charging station. You can do that, but they sell that separately. That's not included. Finally, again, this is a very, very specific use, but supposedly you can connect multiple speakers to one TV base station, up to 50. And I was trying to think, when would I ever want 50 speakers? The only scenarios we were able to come up with were maybe a church setting, maybe school, maybe an assisted living home, like there's one big TV room, and then everybody could listen to whatever volume they want with headphones. But that was really the only situation we could think of where you would need that many. Usually you're only going to have about one of these per television. Maybe a second one if you like listening at different volume with your partner. That's really about it. So that's what you get. Like and subscribe down below. Hope this helps.